Hello everybody, this is I, Pebble1 here, and today we'll be doing a Pebble review, yippee. So, let's check his stats. So Pebble's health is at 2, skill check 3, movement speed 5 stars, stamina 4 stars, stealth is 3, and extraction speed 1. And what I'm planning to do is that, a vintage only. Oh, fuck. Alright. Wait a minute. Hang on. Hang on. Alright. Alright, I will cut to, okay, we will cut to the game menu. And, we're experiencing some difficulties right now. We're experiencing some difficulties. A vintage Bassy, a Boxton, a Tisha, and pink Exon, I think, and the pink Exon is like ruined in it. Yeah, drama. We got, yep, drama. A drama. I love drama. No! 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 Uni! Oh, well. Okay, yo, what the fuck? I'll just go to this long run. See what happens. Alright, now we will cut to the next section. Okay, finally, we made it to a run. Jesus. Let me tell you something. It's been... we had difficulties, yeah. I swear to God, if I see people trying to mess me up and I'm distracted, I'm just gonna quit the game. I'm just gonna leave. Abandon this entire video. They don't know why I'm gonna distract, so... I just snatched that eject button. Nope, mine tapes. Those are my tapes. Alright. Yes! The old hag getting the high bitch. Air horn, thank you. I'm having a lucky day right now. Wee. To be honest, I distracted before. I know how to distract, guys, and I'm a good distractor too, because I actually know how to distract Scraps and the Goob. You hear me? Scraps and Goob. I can distract them easily. I just need like one of those metal shelves, whatever you call those things, and just walk around it. There we go. Hi, Connie. Alright. Connie, you're fine. Connie, you're fine. You have 5 stuff. Alright, let's go.
71 and it was a perfect thing between 72 and 70. It was perfect. And it gave me that little chill. It wasn't
Oh, okay. What's wrong with the? Maybe the dude. You did not. Oh, damn, Boxton. Damn. I'm just gonna try defend. I'm just gonna say Boxing probably was looking for a machine, but I could be wrong. Hi, Connie. You're fine. Connie's a dumbass. I'll pick up that. Thank you very much. Okay, bet. Come here, Goob. Hello. Alright. Making sure y'all follow me. Goob, where do you think you're going? You're supposed to be following me. Because I am way more better. Tisha, stop! Oh my god! Don't tell me I'm the only one that knows how to distract.
I wouldn't. It's been out in the element so long.
Oh my god! I hate you so. Stop! Oh my! You're gonna get me hit. Where? No, Goob, don't leave my sight. Goob. No, Goob.
Nope.
Get you! Alright.
Oh, you gotta go outside and cut the grass.
Shh! I'm recording a video! Shh! Alright. Okay, so this is how you distract a Goob. Alright, you see. Where the fuck? Hey! You're supposed to be following me! Oh my... Stop! I swear to God. Well, people keep getting in the way. How? Oh my god! I'm just gonna. Oh my. Okay, that's it for this Pebble review. I didn't even last. I didn't last 2 floors and I already died. This is embarrassing. This is why I'm never gonna play as Pebble ever. That's why you're never gonna see me play as Pebble ever. See, this is why I do not distract, bruh. I don't care if it's stealth reasons. I don't care if their stealth is lower than me. They kept getting in the way. I was distracting Goob because, unlike them, I know how to distract Goob. Y'all can see, but they keep messing me up, stealing the Twisteds, and now look at me, back at the start. This is why I hate people. I hate people in this game. I hate people. I hate people so much in this game. Oh my god, man. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know. I'll do more. This is how many minutes? Only dog. This video short as Anyway, so Pebble, Pebble's rating, in my opinion, and in my heart, in my opinion, 1 out of 10. Hear me out. Pebble kind of sucks. He's a main. He can distract, which is good, but he sucks. Like, yeah, he's fast, but he sucks. Like, he doesn't have a lower, like, he doesn't have a lower stealth as Goob or Brightney or Strippo, or Yatta or Louie, and he doesn't really have, like, and if you're extracting as Pebble, then his ability is useless. It only calls for Twisted, so he's only for distracting. That's all he is, just distracting. Because if you just extract as him, it will be way longer, and his ability will be useless. So alright, so bye bye. If I offended main Pebbles, stay mad.